Alright, Walkaround 98 GTT factory manual transmission, factory turbo. Performance wise, it looks like only the muffler and the air pod up top. Alright, we'll start with the front. I believe East Bear front bumper, and I'm only just now starting to hear about East Bear, and not to make this video longer, but I asked him like what happened with East Bear, and he said that they went out of business because the owner got sick, which kind of sucks because I mean now everybody wants this carbon fiber hood. It's got the pins. The only flaw is about right here. There's that looks like a rock chip maybe, and it just needs to be aligned, I bet. Maybe align it a little better. The headlights, they look brand new. I believe they've been opened and cleaned because I saw them resealed, but there's no flaws on the bumper. Everything is completely clean. Start to go around. There's a little bit of balding in the paint right here. That's about it. And the bumper itself, or the fender itself, has no runs. They actually painted the underbody kit and the spoiler themselves. The mirrors are good. The door, if you look down the whole side of the car, there's not any damage on it. Yeah, I really have nothing to point out. Trim, they always put this carbon fiber wrapping on there. Seals look good. It's got a little bit of dirt in the paint, but I don't know if you can catch it. The bald spot's about that big on the roof itself. Rear window. Trunk. Spoiler. They painted the spoiler so it looks brand new. Quarter, again, there's no damage on it. Bumper, I mean there's no, I'm sorry, but not much to talk about. Taillights look brand new. Maybe they're LED. Yeah, I see the lights. I did point out there was, where is it? Right here, dirt in the paint on like one little spot. Other than that, this car is super clean. And it's in the direct sun right now, so I don't know if my phone's gonna cut off from the heat, but I mean, even down the side of the car, I mean, the clear looks good, the paint looks good. This is one of the better examples that I've seen, honestly. Down the trim. Here, door, side skirt. Nothing to talk about. SSR wheels. Passenger rear. Driver rear. This has curb mark right here. Yeah, this car is nice. All right, interior. I took pictures of everything. There's no cracking. The only spot, actually, I'll show you. The only spot I saw is right here. Now maybe they had something mounted there that they took off. Like, I don't know. It could have been a radar or a tack or something. But there's no drill marks. Just aftermarket steering wheel, Momo, horn works. I'm assuming they have almost a full tank of gas. That's pretty nice. 148,000 kilometers. I'll start up and check all the gauges here. I did get the video of the car running, so I know it's not making any weird sounds or anything, but I'll do another startup. Shifting, clutch feels strong. Shifting feels good. E-brake, it's all good. dash. Again, no cracking or lifting. The door cards on the passenger and the driver are good. And there's no scratches on the handle or kick marks on the door. The seats have wrapped in plastic, but I've checked, there's no stains or anything weird in there. The rear as well, super clean. These are quite dirty. I don't know if those can just be like steamed out, just from people grabbing them obviously over the years. They are dirty. There's no lighter. This looks like it's probably been used. It's quite, you know, crusty in there. The smell, I mean, I don't smell a tobacco smell in here, but other than that, everything inside this car, there's nothing to point out and complain about. Keys are in it, so let me fire it up while we're here, and then I will do an electronics check. All right, engine start, fires right up. 4 ways, headlights, window up, window down, put the window back up, turn the AC on, auto up. I mean, it's already blowing cool, and it's 22 degrees out and it's in the direct sun, and I mean, I'm sweating inside. All right, passenger window goes down. Passenger window goes up. Let's put the mirrors go in. Mirrors go out. Right mirror adjusts. Left mirror adjusts. Very good. All right. Boost is not registering. Oil temperature needs to go up. Battery is fine. RPMs are holding. RPMs are not showing. I'll have to ask about that. Alright, let's go out and check electronics. My taillights, blinker, passenger taillight blinker. Side markers on, headlight, blinker on, the headlight and the blinker is on. Alright, I'm going to turn the car off and turn it back on and see what happens with the boost and the RPM gauge need to be fixed. Alright, engine running video. Like I said, these aren't broken, but the headlights have been opened and resealed because they're super clean. I took pictures inside the engine bay. Besides, you know, a little bit of surface rust, I don't see anything standing out. There's no corrosion hiding or anything of that nature. Again, brackets are fine, headlights been resealed. Strut, there's a little bit of rust here. It's not hiding any rust or corrosion in there. Master cylinder is straight. Again, a little bit of rust can just be cleaned up right there. Battery tray, often corroded, there's no issues. On the engine bay, it's got a blow-off valve, so you can really hear that. Underside of the carbon hood looks good. Yeah. Fan belts, everything sounds good. like the guy, or previous owner, I shouldn't say guy, took care of the car. You know, there's no issues. Everything, if it had any issues, it probably has been taken care of. So the car checks out. Wheels are nice. Drivetrain feels good. I saw it driving. The only issue seems to be the RPM cluster. All right, for video purposes, I'm going to show the trunk, even though I got the pictures of it. The repair, I don't know if I can do this with one hand actually. The repair was, yeah, I can't do it with one hand. Done on the rear panel here. That's the accident part of the car. It's been done nice. There's not any signs of any issues with it. So as far as accidents go on a car, I mean, the back would be easier to fix than any frame damage or something like that. So they just replaced the end panel here. Car was obviously white before.